What's up, guys? How you doing? This is Samuel speaking, and today's episode I'm not gonna really show my face, but instead of that, I'm gonna show you something better. I'm gonna show you a excellent software that everybody out there, the best marketers, the best internet marketers, and social media marketing agencies are using out there. And the name of that software is called ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels? Well, basically, ClickFunnels is a website builder. Not any kind of website builder, but a sales funnel builder. Uh, Meaning that a sales funnel builder is gonna be selling for you something specific. Let's say a specific item, a specific physical item that you need to get to the market, or a specific software that you believe in, if you want to get people to know about it. You can also do things like collecting emails. Okay, you can build webinar pages. You can do a lot of things. That's why I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to show you a few of the things that you can do. Um, this software helps you if you are an agency, a social media marketing agency, like the one I have, or you are a freelancer, or maybe you have an e-commerce account, an e-commerce business. You can sell your product here. You can have a consulting, coaching company. You maybe are part of a a network marketing company. You are also doing maybe blogging, etc. Okay, let me take you to my account. I'm gonna log in. I have one account. Um, gonna try to log in very fast. My internet is a little slow today. My apologies about that. Alright, let's see. Um, alright, just gonna try to log in. So if you don't have your account already set, you can use 14-day trial. Okay, no contracts or something like that. There is a link below the video where you can go and click and start a 14-day trial. And yeah, you try it and see if you like it. I know you're gonna love it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Now I already have an account, so I'm gonna go to the member login. Alright, so let me go here. So I already have an account and I automatically log in. As you can see, it's a San Morel. There's a picture here. I have this account for already. Let me see. It's already over a year. And let me tell you, I'm very satisfied with the software because, as I said before, as a marketer, uh, myself, I have a social media marketing agency, and this is a great tool that I can use for my own brand or for my client's brand. It's amazing. So I'm gonna walk you a little bit on the things and features that uh, this software has. Um, I'm going to show you one of the things or a few things that this software can do for you. Okay, then we go to build funnels. Uh, Again, my internet is a little slow, but okay, these are the funnels I already have, as you see through there. Alright. Now, when you go ahead and open an account with ClickFunnels, uh, it's gonna see a few preset funnels that are already on default were they're already there included that rate some of the different businesses that you guys might be involved in. But if you don't really need those funnels, you can just go ahead and archive them, So we're gonna, let's say, go to this option, funnels, click funnels, then build a funnel, just to show you a few things that you can do. Now, build funnel. You can do many things here. You can build a classic funnel, which is like a opt-in page funnel, okay? To collect emails, you can do something to sell a product or to host a webinar, okay? These kind of funnels you can do. So we're gonna create a funnel. I'm not really gonna go ahead and create another funnel, but I'm gonna tell you this is the three types of funnels you can do on this category. You can want to collect emails, as I said before. You can go ahead and build your opt-in page or squeeze page, like some people call it also. You can build a page or website to a specific product. It can be a physical or a software. A physical product, like a, I don't know, like a teacup, like a bracelet, like a t-shirt, something like that. Or a software, something that, an application, something like that. Or you can build a page to host a webinar. You are promoting your webinar, and you can build it right here. Or you can just go ahead and create your own custom funnel. You do it your own way. So we're gonna exit. We're gonna go ahead, hit build funnel, and this is a little more. How can I tell you? Some of the things, some you can do. You can build a lot more stuff than just to collect emails. You can build websites to, as I said before, to host a webinar. You can build a website even for bloggers. I mean, it's amazing. It's like you don't need WordPress anymore. Uh, as you can see, you can cover the website. You need any of most of the most popular industries you have out there. Like, let's say if you are an author and speaker, you are a coach or consultant, they have pages for you already preset them. You just have to go ahead and customize. Okay, you can see what kind of pages you can do if you're a coaching or a consultant. Okay, if you are if you own an e-commerce store, well, e-commerce business, you can build your own websites. Sales funnel, lead funnel, reverse switch page funnel, video sales funnel, storefront funnel, page funnel. The storefront funnel, that's kind of interesting. It's like a traditional e-commerce website that you see pushes people into your core funnel. That's awesome. A page funnel. Okay. Live demo funnel, switch page funnel, 2 steps, tripwire funnel. You can also do business to business funnels. Alright, you can see different categories. As I said before, I'm just going to give you a quick walk on this amazing software. I say amazing so many times because for me it's amazing. I mean, so many things you can do here. You see all these funnels here, like a hero funnel, ask and pay funnel. These are under the network marketing choice. These are all pre-built funnels for you that you just have to go ahead and customize. Okay, I'm not gonna take it on every funnel because it's gonna take me like hours in order to explain to you every single thing that this uh, piece of this tool does. The funnels for to generate leads, to sell a product, as I said before, to create an event. So, guys, as I said before, this is just a quick, walk, quick insight on ClickFunnels. If you heard about ClickFunnels before, but you don't really know what it's all about, this is a little bit of information that I hope you find valuable, and I hope you, if you're really into social marketing, something like that, you take advantage of this nowadays. So again, it is great. And besides that, go ahead and open your account now. Go ahead using a from a hacker t-shirt. Kind of cool, right? So thank you for watching, guys. Find this quick video valuable, and let me know what you think. Go ahead and click the link below to get your ClickFunnels account today. 14 days trial. Don't miss it. Thank you, and hope to see you next time. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good day. Everywhere you are. Take care. Bye.